Om Namaste Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swami Tapaharine வானாடு நிலை விட்டு மண்ணுலகை வாழ வைக்க தானாக வந்து தித்த தயாபரனே தத்தமணி தேனான வேதாந்த சித்தாந்தம் சொன்னவனே ஆனாத அரங்காத்த ஐயனே விவேகானந்தா. நம்முடைய சுவாமி சுகதேவானந்தஜி, நம்முடைய ஜஸ்டிஸ் ராமசுப்ரமணியம் அவர்களே, நம்முடைய பிரின்சிபல் அவர்களே, பேரன்புடைய மாணவர்களே, இன்றைய விவேகானந்தருடைய 150வது ஜெயந்தியை ஒட்டி ரிக்வெஸ்ட். நான் இங்கே எப்பவுமே தமிழ் தான் பேசுவேன், ரெண்டு தடவை இடையிடையே வருதும் இங்கிலீஷ்லேயும் பேசியிருக்கேன். இட்ஸ் குவைட் ஆல் ரைட். விவேகானந்தருடைய 150th year birth the celebration பண்ணிட்டு பண்ணாங்க. So in this connection we can remember some important things about Swami Vivekananda which will inspire us in our life. We have been thinking about Vivekananda and celebrating his greatness again and again. We celebrated the 100th year of 1893 Chicago addresses in 1993. There was an all over India celebration, so all the states celebrated the centenary of the Chicago addresses in 1993. Just after 4 years, we celebrated Swami Vivekananda's triumphant return to India in 1897. 1997. That was the centenary. We celebrate all over India. And now it is 2013-14. For the whole year, we have been celebrating the 150th year of Swami Vivekananda. Actually, what is special about this great son of India? We are remembering again and again. Again and again, there is a national festival in his name. We know the reason. If today we are an independent nation, if today we are holding our heads high as a great nation among the committee of the world nations, we owe it to Swami Vivekananda. How Chakravarti Rajagopalachari told, Vivekananda saved Hinduism, saved India. But for him, we would have lost our religion. We would not have got our independence. This is the words of the great intellectual politician Rajagopalachari. It is every word of it is true. Before Swami Vivekananda left for the Parliament of Religions, 1893 May, he left for the Chicago Parliament of Religions from Bombay, 1893 May 1st. But a few months earlier, maybe January, February, a magazine wrote from Madras, English magazine, that India has no potential at all of a good philosopher, a great person who can represent the Hindu religion in the Parliament of Religions. That is why we could not get any representative here. We are not only financially and otherwise poor, we are poor in every type of culture also. We don't have such a cultured and educated person to represent us in the Parliament of Religions. That is the most misfortune of this land. This is what that paper wrote 2 months earlier, before Swamiji left. And after Swamiji represented India, as we all know, in September 11 in the Chicago Parliament of Religions, and became a world famous figure. If 2 months later, November or December of 1893, the same magazine wrote again, what? India does not have the potential to give something to the world. It has. We have that spiritual potential. We can guide the world in spiritual matters. World may be rich, in other things, but in spirituality, India is tops. This is how that magazine wrote. Nothing else has happened in between. The first weeping that we don't have any spiritual people here, or religious top stalwarts who can represent Hinduism. And just after Parliament of Religions, it is proud that we have got something to give to the world, contribute to the world culture. We have got that spirituality with us. The only incident that happened was Swami Vivekananda said, make ourselves great, make our country also great. Thank you.